Let's begin by selecting Build a List. Follow along steps 1 through 4, starting with Name a new list. Step 2, import your list. Here, you will map your CSV file. Select Ignore All to reset fields. Select your source field from the preview below by either clicking or using the drop-down above. Step 3 will clean phone numbers in Phone 1. Make sure you see numbers in the Phone 1 column. Step 4 allows you to remove duplicates. To find your list, select Choose a List. Selecting File and Change or Edit Settings will allow you to create a custom user field. Dispositions are located on the right-hand side. You can also set a callback by a specific date and time.